party people on.
Cowboy dance.
What's up, guys? My name's Trevor. Welcome back to the Arctic Vet channel. Today we're sitting in Dora and she's at 65,000 miles on her. She's getting old. Anyhow, I wanted to talk to you guys about the vehicle report notifications, because I just changed my oil, reset everything. We're good to go there. Anyhow, Sync and the newer Fords periodically says, hey, do you want to run a health report? Do you want to run a health report? Thing is, Ford is discontinuing this for my version of software that I have. So I want to show you guys how we can, I want to block out my address there, how we can get rid of those notifications. So let me go ahead and show you. First off, we're going to go down here, click on the little gear setting. Once we're in the gears, or into the settings, you click on, it says vehicle. Let me click on sound. So you click on the one that says vehicle right there, click on vehicle, and then you click on vehicle health report, the top one, and automatic reminders. You'll want to just go ahead and turn that puppy off. Also, I've been looking for this where you can change your mileage intervention or intervals. We're gonna go ahead and set mine to 75 because I run full synthetic. And so just to show you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna click run, and
please wait while data is collected for your report.
this is what it's gonna want to get and say. We'll sit here and wait a minute.
Please wait while your report is being...
I'm not sure if the camera caught that because it looked like the phone took a call for some reason. It's me not doing anything. So this is what you're gonna get. It's gonna say server connection error. The report cannot be submitted because they no longer support it. So that is how you turn those silly little reminders off. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that it helps you out. Give it a big thumbs up, smash that red subscribe button, don't forget to click that red bell notification, and we will catch you guys in the next one. Have a great day.